If your partner snores and you're exhausted, listen to this. This might actually save your nights. I was in the exact same situation. Tired, frustrated, and trying everything. My partner snored so loud that I ended up sleeping on the couch most nights. Then I found this simple PDF with natural tips to reduce snoring, and it worked way better than I expected. No pills, nothing weird, just small changes you can try tonight. Within a few days, his snoring went down a lot, and we finally started sleeping together again without me waking up every hour. If you want to try the same PDF I used, I'll leave the link below so you can finally rest.